Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing, something coming in from Traditional Pocket Knives, C. Reisner. I think somebody told me that they were sending something in, possibly for a giveaway. Let's take a look and see what we got. All right, today I'm opening my box with my Spyderco Para 3. This is the Blade HQ exclusive cool knife. They may still be available if it is. We'll definitely have a link in the unboxing review of that knife for sure. All right, just make sure there's no receipt in there. All right, there's a Hedgehog. Oh my goodness. Oops, and we do have a little receipt here. Oh, okay, okay. Wow, wow. All right, all right. Very, very cool. This is from, and I hope it's okay for me to say this, but Tyler's giving something to the channel. This is an exclusive Hedgehog single blade spear point. All right, so let's take a look at this guy. Now, before we do that, hold on. We do have a mint, which is cool. I love how Traditional Pocket Knives does this, right? They have this, you get a little Band-Aid. You're gonna get a little sticker here, C. Reisner cutlery, a Band-Aid, which is very helpful. A little mint to freshen things up. And oh, this is a new one. I like that. I like that sticker. I might have to swap it out for one of my stickers I already have up there and put the other one into the giveaway, right? I always like to check out the new stuff that they have. Okay, so they always have these cool outer boxes, and then you get to the QSP box, Hedgehog spear point. A spear point. All right, so we get a few more stickers, which is very cool. Ooh, wait, hold on, is that the bone one? Green bone, it is. Now this is kind of cool looking. I've heard of these. These are supposed to be like, I think they're made out of cow bone or something. Ooh, that's like modern meets traditional. And it would be Tyler, because Tyler's the one who got me to drink the Kool-Aid, why I started carrying slip joints in the first place. Oh, that is crunchy, crispy. Oh, I like that. I like that. Ooh, nice hollow grind. Nice little, is this a drop point? Did it say drop point? It doesn't say if it's a drop point. Wait, does it say on here? Let's see if it says on a little card if this is a drop point. It doesn't say. It looks to me like this would be a drop point. I like this. It's actually got a nice swedge there. That's kind of cool. A nice long nail nick, if you want to call it. More like a fuller nick, right? Look at that. Got the walk and the talk. There's the half stop. Look at that. The walk and the talk. Man, the talk is nice. Listen to that talk. It's just nice. And the walk is nice and crunchy. It's just solid. I would say, as far as walks that I've had, I would put this at a 7 or 8. Really, really solid. Let me see if I actually have something really cool for my Hedgehog that I've been carrying, and I want to see if it fits. I'm just kind of curious because I really like the shape of this slip joint. So this is the one for the Hedgehog, the one I have. Does it fit? Oh, it does fit. The one I have is more of a cleaver blade, and this does fit in there really nicely. Look at that. It does fit in. Now, this is from Hoffy. It's Hoffy. Scott Hoffman, he does 3D printing, some really, really cool stuff. If you ever won any of the giveaways, you see my poker chips that we do for giveaways. Scott Hoffman is super huge. Just appreciate him so very much, and he does a lot of awesome 3D printing. He did, we have the stone for the Excalibur that it fits in there as well. Look at that, nice, sharp, and it is 14C28N blade steel, and there's that beautiful bone. All right, so now we got to take a good look at this. This is gorgeous. So here's that beautiful hollow grind, the drop point QSP. I like that little swedge on top up there. We got that nice nail nick, fuller, whatever you want to call it. Nice satin finish. Then, of course, we got the captive pivot, obviously, a couple of screws right there, look like T6s, but there's that bone, beautifully green dye with a little lanyard right there. Right, got the nice back spacer that's really smooth all the way across, really nice and tight on there. Look at that. Look how smooth that is all the way across, all the way back here. And then we have the bone on this side over here, And you can see a little different shading of the bones, different dye. It's distinct in the sense of different colors. This one's a little bolder, a little darker. This one's a little got kind of shades and little layers. I think that's kind of cool. Here we got the inside. You see there's a stop pin in there for when it does close right here. So that's nice. And then of course we go up here, and so it's not locking. It's not locking, right? So you just keep that in mind. We've got the bone kind of inlay going in right here, and of course here's the screw if you did want to take it apart. Now there's traditionally pins in there. It is hard to sometimes take apart if you want to, but you can't. And I do like that nice, beautiful hollow grind. I think that's cool with the swedge on top. Minimal billboarding on here. I like that. That's going to be really, really sharp. So this is probably going to be a giveaway. I believe that's what Tyler got this for, but it's beautiful. I do like that. That's very traditional. It's like modern. Traditional meets modern. All right, so let's zoom out here a little bit. So we get a nice view of that beautiful kind of hollow grind and that beautiful green bone inlay. I think that's really nice. I think it's cool. All right, well, thank you, Tyler. I appreciate this. This is going to be a cool giveaway. Really nice. 14C28, if you didn't know, that's a great budget steel. It's kind of, really hard to mess up the heat treat. So you can traditionally get a pretty decent heat treat on there, which means good edge retention. 14C28 is also good corrosion resistant kind of steel. Like if you know my Rob Johnson's knives, like the steel bar insert over trellis stop is 14C28N. A lot of people will use that for good corrosion resistant. That's why they'll do that. So I think that's really cool. I really like this. Nice contoured. It is contoured if you can see that. And again, let's do that. Let's do that walk and that, but listen to the talk. Hear that. Wait, hold on. Hear that? And let's close it. Listen to the talk. Nice, crisp. Like, very, very cool. Nice little knife. I like this a lot. I think this is really, really cool. All right. There's a review. If you're curious about this, this is very similar. It's just a different blade shape, same blade steel. It's kind of a different material. I think all of those are really, really nice. This will be like a nice little short video. If you want to know a little bit more about it, check my review out on my particular Hedgehog. I like this. This is a different version of it. I think it's really cool. Again, big thank you to Tyler out there. That's just super awesome. I'm super humbled by this. Really nice, crisp, excellent, really well executed slip joint. I like that a lot. I do enjoy carrying slip joints. I think they're really great. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, helpful, entertaining, or any of the above, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel really does help out, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there. If you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Really, really appreciate that. And channel members, I appreciate you guys. You do two amazing things for me, right? You encourage me by your memberships, just being there. So thank you. I don't do this full time, so it's a huge thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support through the memberships, you allow the channel to do things sooner than I thought it could. Once a week budget banger giveaways. We've been really, let me try that again. We've been really blessed and by the generosity of people giving to the channel. Still got to cover the cost of shipping, so you channel members are a huge part of that. When I do loaners and pass arounds, you help with the cost of shipping there as well. When I get the milestone giveaways, you're a huge part of that. So thank you to all you channel members out there. You guys, just huge part of that, helping continue to do all of that, along with the generosity of folks like this. I'm grateful and thank you. All right. As a result of that, I want to do two things for channel members. One, brand new channel members, email me your name and address and tell me, hey, I'm a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a handwritten note. I still want to do that for new channel members as long as I possibly can. Secondly, channel members, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, we'll have two giveaways. Members, you can enter both. You're eligible for both. You could win both, okay? And I always try to make sure the members giveaway is something a little bit nicer than the budget banger giveaway. Something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift, right? It's my small way to say thank you. Right, just to say I appreciate you. And some of you guys are going to say, "Hey, what about the other?" Oh, before I say that, If that sounds interesting, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't join because you feel pressured, but if you do, thank you for any memberships, any of the different tiers. And some of you guys are going to say, well, what about the emojis? What about the kazoo salutes? What about the exclusive content? What about the anniversaries? Yeah, there's more. There's more stuff. It's never enough, but there's small ways for me to say thank you. All right. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram. I have a page over there at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.